Welcome to my happy home, where I bring you DIYs, hauls, home decor, thrifting and much more on a budget. If you're interested in these types of videos, then please like, comment and subscribe. Hi friends, and welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video I got a very simple and super cute DIY for you. And this DIY is really on a budget for me. Everything I use I already had on hand, so it didn't cost me anything. I'm gonna make a spring sign using this wooden board that I painted white. It was in the natural color. And I'm going to be using a piece of transfer paper and this cute bunny print out that I got from the internet. If you're anything like me and you're not a great DIYer, then this is the perfect project for you. Now I'm going to create a glam sign, but you can easily recreate this by using the colors and materials of your preference. I used 2 coats of gold metallic paint, and I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but I added a little bit of glitter for a bit more sparkle. To make the bunny stand out more, I'm going to outtrace it with this gold twine rope. And this was really the hardest part of this simple project, because the rope was a bit tough to bend in the shape that I needed it. So you guys, how have you been? Just leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. How was your winter season? It is finally coming to an end, and I would say finally, because our winter was really mild. We had no snow at all, and we had a lot of rain. So I am so ready for the sun to come out. And I've been seeing a lot of beautiful videos here on YouTube, so I've been itching to start my spring decorating. And next I'm adding the word spring to my sign using these letter stencils, but this is completely optional. Here you can alternate this by adding any text of your preference. I decided to go with spring because that way I can use this sign also after Easter has passed. For the letters I'm using a beautiful light silver acrylic paint and adding some silver glitter before the paint dries. Now as you can see, I eyeballed the letters, so it's not really perfect, but I am really loving how it turned out. And for the final touch, I'm adding these rhinestones all around the edge of the wood board. Now even though these rhinestones are self-adhesive, I did decide to add a little glue to make them more permanent. Now I was planning on leaving my bunny just like this, but then I felt it was missing something, so I decided to add this rhinestone as an eye, and I also wanted to give it a fluffy white tail, so I'm using this cotton ball that I am lightly spraying with some glue and then adding some glitter to it. Now did you guys notice how miraculously the eye disappeared? Well, welcome to the magical world of editing. But luckily everything will work itself out in the end. And this is the end result, and I'm absolutely loving how this turned out. But I have to say that the hardest part was using the twine rope, and as you can see, if I could make some changes, I would give it a little bit more of a neck and divide the ears a little bit more. But other than that, I think it is perfect, especially with these beautiful sparkly letters. And that is all for this video, you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this. This was a very easy and simple project to do. And if you decide on recreating this, just leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Anyway, like I said, I do have some more DIYs coming up. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next one really soon. Until then, always remember to live, laugh and love. Bye!